actually stay. Did I break? Did I run away? Dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you. And if I'm burning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. And I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever,
Okay, we colder than the breeze, but the breeze ain't flowing like me, motherfucker, hold up. You don't need to hold up. Yeah. And I can show you how I seem, what it is, what it truly might be. Nothing that you know of. You don't need to hold up. I'm so above and beyond. You take drugs to make it up, way up where we on. Space shuttle Elon. Time we don't waste much. Fuck when we wake up, then I have her sang just like Celine Dion. Catch me if you can, but you'll never catch me. Damn. Whole lot of yes I am. All the way in with no exit plan. Already left and the jet don't land. Yeah, the time is ticking. Come take a ride, get inside. This is highly different. I'm talking fly, got a pilot with it. Can I mind my business? Why you tripping? Give you something that your eyes can witness. Ooh, you're too close. I don't understand why you're doing the most. You can love it, you can leave it. They're saying nothing without it. Don't let them keep you down. What if I don't need it? There's something about it that just freaks me out. I just want another minute with it. Fuck a little, what's the use?
You know I'm impatient, so why did you leave me waiting outside the station when it was like -4 degrees and I get what you're saying. I just really don't wanna hear it right now. Shut up for like once in your life. Listen to me. I took your nice words of advice about how you think I'm gonna die lucky if I turn 33. Okay, so yeah, I smoke like a chimney. I'm not skinny and I pull a Britney every other week. But cut me some slack. Who do you want me to be? 'Cause I'm too messy and then I'm too fucking clean. You told me get a job and you asked where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect, so I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that not allowed? And I'm too clever, and then I'm too fucking dumb. You hate it when I cry, and it's just that time of the month. And I'm too perfect, so I show you that I'm not 1,000 people I could be for you, and you hate the fucking law.
One God, one market, one truth, one consumer. Shut the quiet, peaceful down. 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 So now I roll it down Rodeo with the shotgun.